Joining a plethora of politicians, civil society groups and other organizations in condemning the statements made by Working People's Alliance WPA executive members Rhonda Lane and Tacoma Ogunse at a public meeting at Buxton, East Coast, Demerara on March 9 last, Minister of Home Affairs Robeson Benn on Thursday morning informed that lawyers are currently reviewing the statements and the law will take its course.
We are having legal reviews of them. They appear to me to be frankly seditious. And if they're found to be seditious, the laws will take its course.
Benn, while describing the utterances of the two WPA members as harmful for the country and open calls for misadventure and distress, noted that there are other safe and professional alternatives available that persons aggrieved over the country's governance can utilize.
If any person or any organization feels aggrieved rationally with perceptions in relation to governance, and what is the makeup of things, how things are being worked at. There is representation in the parliament, and there is also the courts, the legal system.
Benn urged citizens not to allow persons with or without an audience to vicariously, through a public setting, shout fire or call one set of people to attack another.
Or to suggest that persons who have arms in a formal discipline service area to turn those perhaps against the state or against their fellow Guyanese, I want to condemn it and decry it in the strongest possible terms.
Ogunse, during the public meeting on March 9, asserted, and I quote, "I don't understand how people complain that they are oppressed and they are holding guns in their hands. They are the majority in the army, in the police, and they still say they are oppressed. And they still say our problem is our own making. Anytime we turn those guns in the right direction, it is over." End of quote. He also accused the government of deploying discriminatory policies that disproportionately impact some Guyanese. At the same meeting, Lane referred to East Indians in Guyana as those who came from the slums in India. The statements have drawn much condemnation. Attorney General Anil Nanlal has called for a full investigation into Ogunse's statement, saying it amongst several criminal offences, including but not limited to sedition, seditious libel inciting riotous behaviour, and inciting racial hostility in order to create a breakdown of law and order within Guyana. President Irfaan Ali had also condemned his remarks, while a number of senior members of the People's National Congress Reform, PNCR, have distanced themselves from Lane's remarks. On Wednesday, the opposition leader Aubrey Norton, breaking his silence on Ogunse's utterances, said that while the statements may have been incorrectly worded, there is truth in it. Reporting for the HB Nightly News, Joel Vogt.